Just doing a wee play along version to Mr. Brightside by the Killers. This is a wee request. This is for Gerry. So Gerry, hopefully you can play along with this okay and forgive my singing. The chords, just as a wee reminder, are G, C, C over B, A minor, and an F major 7. By the way, I'll put a link in the description for the tutorial so you can get through to it. If you haven't played the song before and you need some help, just go straight there. Okay, so we'll do a little intro. C, C over B, F, and then we'll come into the song. The strum pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, up, down, up. Now we're going to go fast here, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. So here we go, little intro. Coming out of a cage and love it doing just fine. Gotta be down, cause I want it all. Started off with a kiss, how did it like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now, let me go. I just can't look, it's killing me. Take on control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis. But it's just a price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I'm Mr. Brightside. Solo. And again. As you did in the start, same again. Coming out of a cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. Started off with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and the stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest now. He takes off her dress now, let me go. I just can't look, it's killing me. Taking control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, choking on your alibis. But it's just a price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I'm Mr. Brightside. And there you are, guys. Gerry, hopefully you enjoy that. Well, fingers crossed anyway. And good luck with that. Let me know how you get on. Hope you have fun learning it. And by the way, guys, the description for the tutorial is down below. Get the likes and subscribes and shares going. Thank you so much.